This is Kylee. She's not wearing Top Gun's uniform because she's on her way to her second job.
Because motherfucker don't pay.
What?
I said you're awesome.
Glad I started recording.
Baby! They're gonna burst almighty when he makes him yell.
Do caca poo poo.
Yeah. Oh, that was good. Gaga poo poo. I'm so sorry. Want a popsicle? Yeah.
Only if it has a joke on the stick.
Only has a joke on the stick, then I don't want it. Yeah. Get that out of here. I forgot they did that. This is how Troy dabs. How you supposed to dab? You have to look down on your arm and he just looks straight down. It's so funny when he does it. It's so funny. The benefits of donating range from beer pools and what video we'd like to see, exclusive deals in the shop and online. And pew 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 pew. And your finger gun is your thumb up or is it down? Just like a bazooka.
That's not a bazooka works. That's the perfect. Is the underhanded.
Is it a bazooka the one that you have on your shoulder?
Yes. What's the difference between a mole and a bald eagle?
I don't know.
They both live underground, apart from the eagle.
I don't get it. Somebody explain it to me, please.
For real!
It doesn't have an explanation. That's the joke of it. It's stupid.
It's an anti-joke.
It's like, what's green and has wheels?
What?
Grass. I lied about the wheels.
I actually forgot to tell you about all the safes that we have now because we actually have room for them. So we'll take a little look inside the largest one so you can kind of see what we have to offer these days. Hi! Hi! How'd you get in there? Hi! I thought this was my video.
Ready?
Do something funny.
Starting off great.
Day 9.
What's day 8? Day 8?
You-
9.
9. You
9.
just said 9.
I said 9?
Oh my gosh.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Top Guns here in Terre Haute, Indiana. I thought I said you were gonna do it.
You're supposed to say you're Don. I'm Don.
25 Nate 83! 25 Nate 83! Hut hut!
Don, I don't want.
Hut hut!
What the was that?
That's Kylee. This is Kylee, Miss
Give it up for Kylee, everybody. Yay.
Hey guys, Kylie and Steve here with Top Guns in Terre Haute, Indiana. Steve, what are we gonna be taking a look at today?
Ready? This easy. You look like you are just miserable. Like she's over here like. That's how she stroke. Check out this stroke. Good.
Go team. That was actually a really good high five.
Mm-hmm.
That's what happens when you wing it.
You were just going to say, hey everyone, welcome back to Top Guns here in Terre Haute, Indiana. I'm Don and I'm Kylie.
Go.
No.
Go.
Wow, you just got blackballed. I expect a big explosion. I really do.
See?
Yeah. It's the propane.
Yeah, that's gonna get it.
All right, let's do it again. That was terrible.
Yeah, that was pretty terrible.
No, ow!
Okay, we ready? Oh, you just got balled in the
I
forehead.
did not hit you in face. You hit me forehead.
Aw.
Jack wagon.
Whoa.
Bye.
My name is not Jack, and I haven't had a wagon for a long time.
Kylie, where's some of the other?
What, 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 what? Where you think? Where am I looking? Camera? Not camera. Not camera.
You're looking down.
Not camera.
Now you're looking up.
Ah!
Well, that didn't go nearly as far as I thought it was going to do with it laying down, so I figure I'll take 2 of them, stand it up, see what the results are from that. Yeah, concrete's some pretty tough stuff.
Yeah, that's pretty hardcore. What's a drop it heel?
You know, drop a hill.
Please tell me.
Do that again.
Please tell me. Please tell me you got that.
Drop a hill.
Alright.
Today we're gonna do pour. All right. Hey guys, Steven, I wasn't calling her that before. He's gonna put it in the bloopers, and then everybody's gonna come out with all the hate mail because everybody thinks I was saying that to you. I wasn't saying it to her.
But he does.
It's just like a sort of like a few. To name a few differences, to mention just a few of the changes they've made from the gender to the gender.
That makes me so happy. Hey guys, Kylee with Top Guns.
I am powerful with it.
I got 2 pickles. I got 2 pickles.
I only got 1.
Uh-huh.
That's all I need. Yeah, I can't wait to see what it looks like in about 20 minutes.
Huh?
Huh?
Spinning foam.
Can of foam.
Bag grapes.
Can of foam.
Go for something.
Hey guys, Kylee here. I'm not done laughing.
2 days lesson, Steve is not good at gangster. Gangsta.
Right, because you said gangster. Look at my double chins.
You look like a cheesy,
That's why I grew a beard, so.
like a cheesy 2000s album. That's also because you don't have a chin, Steve.
Cheesy.
I don't. It's very.
It's
Cheesy 2000s album.
Yeah.
Like,
Oh, please give me a thumbnail pose.
you want to do one?
What are you doing, Steve?
Hey Kelly, come here and check this out. This is why we like bringing Kara out to the range, because we can't actually control what she does. Hey, no boob shots. Stop. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. No, stop. I'm all self-conscious. Splendor!
No, 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 no.
Splendor!
No, 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 no.
Splendor! When you need some sugar! Splendor!
It's a party. It's a party. It's a party. It's a party. No. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun.
Oh, question today.
Question of the day. What question of the day? What question of the day?
I'm dreaming.
Of a white Christmas.
I swear to God, it's like working with my children.
It's a ballerina. Ooh.
The CZ Shadow 2 has a cold Hamel.
It's Hamel time.
Can't touch this.
All right. The cold ham.
Break it down. Whoa, 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 whoa.
All right.
And dancing in the rain.
I thought I was getting lost in there.
Getting lost. Getting caught in the rain, I thought.
Caught in the rain.
What did I say?
Dancing.
Dancing in the rain.
What?
Like singing in the rain.
I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain.
I'm singing. I'm in the shower. And I'm singing.
Continue to glow.
Whoa.
All right, we're going. Here we
It
go.
glows to Willy Wong.
Let it glow.
Let it glow.
Can't hold your hand.
Kill myself.
get to it.
Did you say out of Terre Haute, Indiana?
Yes!
It's the
Question of the day.
question of the day.
Question of the day.
Question of the day.
Question of the day. Question of the day. Ooh, stir in the pot.
You know what? We need to come up with the dance and call it the beef. I'm telling you.
This is it right here.
It is.
Then you can walk with it and step out. Go back.
No,
walk with
it's
it.
not.
That's it.
Oh my God. Now it is.
One of which that's already signed, and we're very happy to say, is the
Marine and Air Force Recruiting Center.
so Marines and Air Force Recruiting Center will be in there. You gotta have more enthusiasm than that.
Come on.
Marine and Air Force Recruiting Center. We're happy about it.
Guess what?
Oh, oh, show him what you did to me.
Oh,
yeah.
you did?
Oh, dear God! That's the point of that. Kylie had a psycho moment there for a second. She is recovered now. We've gotten her meds. She's back on. We're good to go. We're ready to start recording again.
Archery. Deli. Bakery.
Fresh bread.
Reloading supplies.
What the hell's that?
Packing the powder.
Coffee shop. Pretzel shop. Alarm systems. Surveillance equipment.
Night vision.
Yeah, martial arts. Music store. I'm a beaver. I'm a beaver. She looks like a beaver.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Top Guns here in Terre Haute, Indiana. I'm Wally.
I'm Beaver.
And it's blowing my way.
Pull it together.
Toot, 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 toot.
I'll intro. You do what gun? You have to look at the camera and smile.
I wasn't ready. Give me time to prepare myself.
Hey guys.
I'm out at the range. Kylie's not here, but listen. Yeah, it's birds chirping. Not. Here's what you do. It's so much more peaceful. Now I can do whatever I want.
That's what he thinks. Yeah, right. Food on.
2 bags of flour coming up.
2 bags of douchebag is what you mean. Everyone misses me, just like Dawn misses the targets. Everyone misses Carly. Carly the beaver.
Hey guys, Kylie here at Top Guns. Hey guys, T-shirts. Quit.
Kylie, what are we doing?
Wait on Steve.
Oh, we're going to talk about gun?
We're gonna talk about pew pew.
Woohoo!
Pew pew. Pew pew.
Did you like gun?
Yeah, I like gun.
Was gun fun?
Gun fun.
Gun fun?
But I'm hungry.
I want to go home.
Oh, go home, have food.
Okay, we're gonna do this before the rain. It's starting to rain already.
Strike!
Start over. Well, it's starting to rain.
Donkey! Bag of grapes. We ain't shooting no bag of grapes. We shoot the clothes iron. Glitterfied.
You gonna run that by me again?
Ready?
Stop it.
Wow.
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 Huh.
Oh God.
Wow.
Wow.
Would you can say something. All right, you do the wow.
All right, okay. Wow.
Buy grapes.
Kimber said, hey, 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 hey. Look at it. What are you guys doing? Kimber! Jeez.
La 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 la. The TH9 is available in a variety of colors.
Bing, 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 bing.
The
Pew, 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 pew.
It's enough joking around. This is serious here.
Gangsta
Get your
type.
together. Today we've color coordinated with Kylie's shirt and my shirt. It's got a black top and of course a charcoal bottom. Nope. The THC is a... it's not a THC.
But this is the thing, what I'm laughing at right now is the fact that he's been color coordinated with Kylie and I's shirt. Gray on bottom and black on top. Gray on bottom and black on top.
What?
Hey everybody, welcome back to Top Guns here in Terre Haute, Indiana. I'm Don. I'm back with the Beaver for day 21 of Shoot a Gun Every Day in May. It's not that bad. Today, the Beaver's mad because, well, her wood's gonna get destroyed.
Dad, please!
No!
Please!
I'm going to wreck the wood! No!
No! Today's video isn't over. We have a special surprise for you. Don, will you hold this, please?
Yeah, what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna do a magic trick.
A magic trick?
Are you guys ready? Ta-da!
Wow!
Oh my God!
Where'd you come from?
Oh my God!
That was a crazy, crazy magic trick. I'm blown away.
What are we shooting today?
I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream.
I'm going with ice cream.
Can I eat it first?
No!
I want the ice cream. I want to eat the ice cream. Do we have to shoot it?
Yeah.
Do we have to shoot the ice cream?
Yes.
Howdy ho, good neighbor.
That was good. The best part was that you could see you the whole way, just right at the edge of the screen.
I'm gonna need you to turn your phone down.
Sorry. Wife spent $1,000. All right. I'm upset.
I upset I'm dead.
Hi, Dad, I'm Kylie.
Early 2018, SIG came out with the 365. This was the...
That was worse than the other one.
Go ahead.
It's a universal.
Go ahead and take a swing of that.
Now this is to compete with...
Ready? Bye-bye, Poppy. Bye-bye. Ow, it's cutting my nose. Oh, got on my shoes. My poor shoes. I got the devil shake weight.
I got one too!
Sorry, made a little miss. We got shaving cream for you.
That's a lot of shaving cream.
That was pretty cool.
Hey everybody, welcome back to another day of Shoot a Gun Every Day in May. I'm Don.
And I'm Kylie.
And it looks like you've washed your hair today.
Yeah, well, usually it's Mondays, but I figured I would, just for the viewers.
Wow, that's pretty impressive.
It's nice of you.
It looks great.
Thanks.
It's still running. Someone could get hurt.
Why is it still running?
Quick, shoot it. It's possessed.
I'm out this bitch. Cut.
She said bitch.
That's a wrap, bitches. That's all, folks.